Hello. Yeah, here we are outside. It's been raining and it just looks wonderful out here. Have a look. The clouds. And for the first time in quite a while, we're below 30 degrees. It's down to about 20 something. And seriously, that is so good. What can I say? It's fantastic. But having a look around, looks magnificent. It does. Clouds. We've had a bit of rain this morning. It's in the afternoon now. It's I can't even tell you what time of day it is. It's got to be around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And it's very quiet here in Chiltern, as always. Nothing much happens in Chiltern. It's very quiet. Had a murder here once. We did. Everyone knew who did it. It took the cops 10 minutes to investigate. Silly. But that's what it's like. Love it. This is my new camera, in case you haven't guessed. And I've got something in my thong. Oh, my new thongs too, if you can see them. Have a look. There they are. Look at that. Whoa. My fat truck driver's belly poking out. I'm trying my best to get rid of that. I really am. Hello, train's going through. A big freighter. Oh, a big freight train. Freight train. Going so fast. It is, it's a big one too. Here we go. We'll see it. Give me a chance to test out the zoom on this thing. I've never done it. Here we go, telephoto. All right. Look at that. And it just keeps coming. Unbelievable. Fantastic. Okay, that's enough of that. Right. That's enough of being silly. Anyway, we'll take this back inside because it's getting cold out here. I can't believe it. I think it's just because that train is still going. That's incredible. That's got to be about 2 kilometres long, that thing. I'll have a look around the other side of the house, see if I can see the end of it. Yeah, the end of it's just going through. Hang on. You can just see it through the trees. It's a bit hard to do with the telephoto all the way out. There she goes. Okay, there we go. Well, the battery is winding down. We've had a lot of fun with this before doing this and putting it up on my channel. Anyway, we'll talk more on the inside, okay? Yeah, we're back inside. Sorry, I'm playing with the remote control. Come on, remote control. Now it won't do what it's meant to do. There you go. Yeah, so we're just sitting here under the shotgun. Under the shotgun, Mike. I'll take my glasses off because they're black. I can't see anything. But yeah, so I just wanted to come inside and finish up the vlog. This is my new camera. I've got my microphone happening, the shotgun microphone, which is just connected straight into the back of the camera now, instead of going via the webcam on my computer, which was atrocious. This is shooting in 1080p, which is excellent. We could have gone 4K, but I thought, nah, what the heck. too expensive. It'll come down in price, but 1080 is good enough for the net, and there we are. So this is me signing off for the first time with the camera instead of the telling bone. So this is my first camera vlog. There's Mrs. Mac in the background. Say hello. There you go. Right. Okay, we'll talk soon. See you next time.